All right, guys, that's a 15-minute range right there. This is the 8:30 candle, 8:45, and this is the 9 o'clock. So we broke lower on the 15. We didn't get a continuation. Well, now we're back in 15-minute IBR. See if it breaks this. We'll make a move on the upside. Right now we're in the 15-minute range. I'm scalping 15 ticks. Looking to get in a couple trades. Let's see if it breaks this. If it breaks this, we'll make an up move. This low came down to 20,500 to the pivot point. So if we break this here, we're making a higher move. And I'm going to go ahead and put the bias and take my trades up here. Okay, we're out. Go ahead and take a scalp on that.
Order filled.
Put my stop right here. Give it room to breathe. We're already out of it. That is the 15-minute.
Target filled.
There it is. It's 150. So we're making a higher move. We're out of the 15 IBR.
Order submitted.
Comes back, gets us in a trade.
Order filled. Order
Another
submitted.
trade here. Because we broke out of that IBR there.
Order filled.
Another one. Quick 15. Move the stop right. About the midpoint.
Order filled.
2 contracts on the upside. Really strong green candle. We already broke the 15-minute IBR. We did break this high here. This may come down, continue going up. Pivot point is the next target that we want to hit, but we're just going to scalp our way up there.
Target filled.
There it is. Got us in. Took us out. We're in 2.
Order submitted.
Making an up move. I'm going to go ahead and hold on to those trades. And what we can do here is put our stop at the bottom of this candle. Give it room to breathe, because a lot of times it will come back to a halfway point and then continue making the run up. We already broke that up, so that's what I'm expecting. We are trading full-size contracts on Nasdaq. This is the 15-minute range. So we had that aggressive down move with the news. Now we almost made a 50% retracement on that. Pivot points here. That is the high of the day. This is the low of the day. Now we're just in this. We're scalping the 15-minute candle. Aggressive up move. We already broke the IBR going up. Next point is the pivot point. But I'm not going to hold that trade out. I'm going to scalp it up there, so I don't have to hold these trades. As you can see, we broke the low here of the 15.
Target filled.
Because we did break the low of the 15, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this here to the 30. And then leave the 15-minute range up here. What I'm going to do is scalp going up to the pivot point, because I believe that's where we're headed.
Target filled.
There it is. Pulls back, we're going to get in the trade. It's going to make
Order
a run.
filled.
Put our stop right here. Get another
Order
one.
submitted.
Come back here.
Order filled.
We'll move the stop right below here. We're in 2 contracts going up. This is a pullback trade going to the upside on the 15-minute candle. Already broke the 15-minute IBR. We're above the 9 EMA. The 200's up here, pivot point, and the high of the day. It's 9:10 right now. See, this is the 15-minute candle. That's the 15-minute range. We broke out of it. This is the 30 range. Went right down to the pivot point. Now we're out of the range on the high side. We're just going to manage these trades. Since we already broke to the upside, we should make another move going higher. Lower high, lower high. Should continue moving this up. I'm looking at the target at the pivot point. Scalping the 15-minute candle using the 15-minute IBR levels.
Target filled.
I'm going to make a new high here. And of course, you could adjust all your stops here. Comes here, I'm already profit. Let's see if it takes that out.
Target filled.
There it is. We're up $600. The pivot point looks like we're making a move on the upside now. The pivot point is my target. So when it pulls back, I'm going to go ahead and get into trades. Going with this momentum on the upside.
Order filled.
Nine, 12, 13.
Order filled.
Two contracts going up.
Order filled.
These are pullback trades going to the upside.
Order submitted.
$9.14. Got a minute left on this 15-minute candle. Pivot point is my destination for these
Target
scalps.
filled.
$9.14. That should go and make a new high there before this 15-minute candle closes.
Target
There it
filled.
goes. Just from those scalps, the 15-minute range. 740 using one contract, 15 tick profit. We're not done going up here. I just want to see a pullback. It's 9.15 right now. If it starts moving, I'm going to go ahead and get in the trade. If it pulls back, which it usually does,
Order submitted.
buy limit right there. Okay, we're making a
Order
move to the
filled.
upside.
Target filled.
There it is. Just taking pullbacks. Trading the 15-minute range. We got a breakout here on the up. Did a breakout on the downside, but I didn't break this low. Just went to the pivot. Now we broke on the high side. So next destination is a pivot point,
Order filled.
which I'm just going to scalp in. $15-minute candles. We already broke this one out. This is the 15-minute open. It's the 8:30, 8:45. This is the 9 o'clock. Yeah, that's not done going up. Still testing this 15-minute IBR. We broke out on the high side, so we're above the 9 EMA. Out of the IBR 15. Got the pivot point up here. Got the high of the day. So we're scalping 15 ticks, just taking the pullbacks on these 15-minute candles.
Target filled.
We're so close there.
Order filled.
That's the pivot point. That's where I want to scalp this too.
Order filled.
Pullback going to the upside.
Order filled. Target filled.
Let's pull back to the upside. I want to see that take that out, then I'm going to just stop up here to trail it. That's a pullback going up to the upside. It's a really big up candle. We're already out of the IBR. There it is. And you could always adjust that. So we may get a further
Target
pullback
filled.
down and then continue up.
Target filled.
Okay, there's a few trades using the 15-minute IBR. As you can see, we had this move on Friday. And then we opened here. This is the low of the day. We went up. Then we came back down. That's the good thing about NQ. It gives you moves where you can get in and out of these trades. This right here is the 15-minute candle. This is the 8:30, 8:45. It went low. That was a false breakout. Came back in. As soon as it broke this, the bias was buying until we actually get to pivot point. But we're already up $1,000. on this testing, 45.15 on one contract on NQ, just trading a 15-minute IBR range.